Hello guys, this is Aykut Bozkurt, and today I want to show you some nice trick about PodPlayer, and it's working with Firefox. I haven't checked if this plugin exists for the Chrome browser, but it's about adding a playlist like this one, or any YouTube link to your PodPlayer and save the playlist to your desktop and play whenever you like. So you need this add-on, and I have already installed it here, and it has a shortcut. Its shortcut was created in my toolbar, and it has some settings. Let's check them. I have just clicked for this as an extra, and maybe this one as well. These are almost the default settings for the tool. So it's working like this. You go to a page you would like to watch or listen, and right click, and you press play current video with PodPlayer, and it will add the playlist to the PodPlayer. We need to wait just a bit. So this is the quality I'm using, 1080p. You can select the quality from here if you like. And let me show you the playlist. It's going on and on and on, like this one. When you select the playlist from the right side, you can open and close it from here. And I'm using a PodPlayer skin, but you can find the playlist shortcut on the default user face of the PodPlayer as well, or from the menu. It should be in here. I don't know. Yeah, here. F6 is the shortcut key for the playlist. So you can save your playlist to your desktop or any location. It doesn't matter. When you select something, when you click on the playlist, when you also press F2 from your keyboard, it opens up a save. Let's save it to here, my YouTube mix, something like that, and it's saved. You can open it from your desktop, and all of these listed items or songs or whatever, maybe you are following a tutorial from a playlist, and chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, and so on. You can do this from your playlist without going into your browser. And it's a very convenient way of watching videos. And it's ad-free, of course, because it's you don't have to watch the YouTube ads, or you can just simply use some ad block like uBlock Origin from your browser as well. But let me show you some other trick about this one. As you can see, I can listen to any song from the playlist. And it will try to match the selection that you have made. For example, I have selected 180p, and it will carry this information. It will remember that I was playing 1080p video across the whole playlist. And if it is available. If not, it will select the closest quality. If 720 was available, is available, it will select it. So you will play with the nearest quality. And there is also one good thing. This playlist is all about songs mostly, and maybe all of them are songs, right? Okay, we can play just the audio, not the video. So you can listen to the songs like you are listening to Spotify or MP3s, something like that. Okay, let me show you how you can do this. You can go here and select the audio stream from any audio quality. You can select from here. So it selects that, and you can resize the PodPlayer main window. Let's click to another song.
Man, this sucks. Our tour's been postponed.
As you can see, it's working as an audio player from YouTube videos as well. This is a very good feature from PodPlayer. And if you want to switch back to the video mode, I will give you the shortcut as well. If you press H from your keyboard, this will open up your bookmarks, and from your bookmarks menu, you can select the video or audio anytime. Let's select 1080p, this one. Let's switch back to the audio mode again with pressing H. So this is it. You can save the playlists. You can add to your playlists, and you can add some individual videos to your playlist as well, to the end, to the middle of the playlist. You can customize it any way you like. So that's it. I wanted to show you these nice little tricks about PodPlayer, and you can utilize it to your liking. So have a good one. See you next time.